What up, players? Alright guys, so it's been about a month since you guys last saw us on YouTube. We've been super busy. I've been working at my job since January, and finally the job came to an end, so I finally have time to get back onto this. I was trying to keep uploading while I was working, and it was just getting real hard because I was working a lot of hours and stuff, and it was just getting tough. I didn't want to like make some content up, I didn't want to make some boring videos, so I kind of started running out of content because I was working so much. I was missing out on all the videos I could have made when my brothers were working. My little brother Beto has been doing a bunch to his Camaro. I'll show a bunch of videos. They've been recording some stuff, but they don't do like any talking or anything. So you can see we got the motor in, we got the tranny in there, the firewall's done, we got a little small things done. He got a new radiator and fan set up for it, and just a bunch of small stuff that they've been doing here and there. I haven't been able to be home to record. My brother's been doing a bunch of projects. As you can see, we got another C10 back there. He's matching the patina from the front end. It's also a long bed to short bed conversion. So I'm gonna throw up a bunch of stuff that they've been doing. This video is gonna be kind of like a update, just to catch you guys back up to like what we've been doing while we've been gone for this month. As you can see also, I don't know if you guys noticed this fender. My old fender's over there. A lot of you guys probably know that fender's been busted up and all dented and stuff. Finally got a new one on. My brother got it painted up to match the rest of the car, and I let it get dirty so it could also match the rest of the car. But I should be washing it soon so my brother could continue the Yonke stripe on it. This part doesn't have the stripe. I don't know if you guys actually know I have a stripe on it. It's gloss black and actually says Yonke on it instead of Yenko. But we should be painting it up soon. I might be getting rid of this hood also. I'm gonna get it painted up and body work. My brother's gonna work it so it could be all nice and ready for the next person, whoever wants to buy it. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna be throwing up some clips of all the work my brother's been doing. Maybe clips or pictures. He's been having a lot of side jobs recently. And then I'm gonna try to see if my little brother has any footage of him working on his Camaro. I think he has some time lapses of him and his buddy putting the engine and tranny in. Hey, I know you guys got I also had some clips of me and my girlfriend putting on the fender the other day, and I'll throw some of that up. I kind of recorded a little bit of vlog, so I might leave some of that in. What's up, players? Didn't want my brother to deal with it. Shrink. Nice, what a beast. But yeah, guys, we're back. And hopefully we have a bunch of bangers back to back for you guys. I know we're waiting on a few parts for this engine. We got the harness and stuff coming in. We also got the gas tank installed. Alright guys, we got the little access door going on. That's down there. Everything's ready on the tank. And I'll show some pictures of that. I think we took a few videos. If not, I'll throw up some pictures of the inside of the trunk because we cut out a little access door for the fuel pump and stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna try to catch you guys all up on this video. Like I said, I'm off of work, so grind time on the Camaro to get this done. And then if this is on pause, like still waiting for parts, we should be hopping over to my older brother's house, get on the Firebird, catch up on a bunch of that because that car has everything. Just need time for it. So I need to finish the car harness, American Auto Wire stuff. I gotta wire up the engine and stuff with the PSI harness, and that's pretty much it. Just wiring up that one and then piecing everything together, and it should be good. I got some small plans for the Nova coming up soon. Trying to go for a little bit of a different look, just bring things back. I know I haven't really done nothing to it since I finished the swap and everything, which was like 2 years ago maybe. But I'm gonna do a few things just to bring it back. Hopefully come back out a little cooler. And then my brother C10 has been gone for a while. We've been trying to keep it a little secret, but that should be coming out soon. We'll show you guys what's next on that once it comes back. And yeah, let me know in the comments if you guys have any ideas for us to do now that we're back. I want to do some more things with my drone. My buddy Roberto's fucking badass at recording and editing too now, so let me know if you guys want to see some of his stuff on our channel. Guys, thanks for sticking to the end of this video. Like I said earlier, leave some stuff in the comments if you have any ideas or some content you guys want to see. Any ideas or anything you guys want me to record or like do, teach you guys or help out with, let me know in the comments and we'll try to make it happen. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next week.